Hello children, welcome to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. Children, we were discussing chapter 2, that is accounting for partnership firms fundamental. In our previous class we have discussed meaning of partnership, features of partnership, rights of partners, partnership deed, provision affecting accounting treatment in the absence of partnership deed. Now let us discuss about distribution of profit among partners, that is profit and loss appropriation account. So in our +1 classes we have studied preparation of final account. We know that there are three things which we prepare in final account. They are trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So in partnership account we will have to prepare an account for profit and loss appropriation, in which we distribute the profit among the partners. So in +1 we were preparing the final account of a sole proprietor. We learned how to prepare a final account for a sole proprietor, in which we used to prepare trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet. But in +2 you have to study about preparation of final account for a partnership firm. So you have to remember that trading account, profit and loss account, and after preparing the profit and loss account you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So this appropriation account is prepared to show the distribution of profit among the partners. Profit and loss appropriation account is an extension of profit and loss account. So it is a extension. In profit and loss account we prepare all the expenses and income related to business. But in profit and loss appropriation account it is like an extension of profit and loss account. Net profit or loss as per the profit and loss account is transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. So whatever net profit or loss is there in that particular year, we will transfer it to profit and loss appropriation account, and that will be distributed among the partners. What are the features of profit and loss appropriation account? It is an extension of profit and loss account. So after preparing trading account and profit and loss account, the next account what you have to prepare is profit and loss appropriation account. So it is an extension of profit and loss account. It is prepared by the partnership firm. So profit and loss appropriation is not prepared by a sole proprietor, but it is prepared by a partnership firm. It shows the appropriation of net profit or loss for the accounting period. So in this account we show the appropriation, that is distribution of net profit or loss to the partner for that accounting period, for a particular accounting period. Entries in this account are passed giving effect to the partnership deed. So as per the partnership deed, the entries are passed in this particular account. Now here is the specimen of the profit and loss appropriation account. So first thing you have to write is the title of that account, that is profit and loss appropriation account. If it is capital letter it will be more attractive. So you have to write the title in that is profit and loss appropriation account in capital letters. Then just below that write down for the year ended, and if they have given the date you can write that year, otherwise put some dots. Okay, so first thing is the name of the account, and then for the year ended you have to mention. Here you have to show debit as well as credit. So this side will be shown as debit side and the other side will be credit side. Then particulars amount. See here. So children, here as decided, I will write here debit. This is your debit side and this will be your credit side. As we mentioned earlier, profit and loss account, appropriation account is an extension of profit and loss account. So you know that all the expenses of the company is recorded on the debit account, all the losses will be recorded on the debit side, and all the incomes will be credited on the credit side. So the first thing what you have to write is, from your profit and loss you have to transfer the profit and loss to the appropriation account. So the first thing what will come over here in the credit side is, by profit and loss account, net profit transfer from profit and loss account. So you, while reading the question, you can come across the net profit that you have to transfer in profit and loss appropriation account. And if it is net loss, then that will be shown on the debit side. To profit and loss account, net loss transferred to profit and loss account. So as per the question, you have to transfer the profit. If it is a profit, you have to write on the credit side. If it is a loss, you have to write it in the debit side. Now the next item in the debit side is interest on capital. So here you can see that interest on capital is an expenses for the company, because this interest the firm have to pay to the partners. So in this case I have written two names, that is Abhay and Bhaskar. So they are the partners, and the firm have to pay interest on capital to these partners. So this is a expenses for the firm, hence it is shown on the debit side. You have to mention two interest on capital and write down the partner's name. Whatever amount you are getting, write it in inner side and show the outer side the total amount. Next is to partners' salaries. Write it down. Sometimes one partner's salary will be given, or both the partner. If it is given both the partner, write it separately and make a total and put it in the outer column. Same is the case with partner's commission. Then reserve also given to you. Sometimes it will be given in the form of percentage. So you have to calculate the percentage from your profit amount. You have to take out the reserve. So whatever your profit is, on that they will, in the question it will be given 10% or something. So on this net profit you have to calculate 10% and write the outer amount. Sometimes they will give you the total amount, so you have to transfer it over here. Then the next thing is by interest on drawing. So drawing is our income. Okay, from a firm's point of view, interest on drawing is income for them. So that we have to collect, we have to charge interest on drawing to the partners, that is Abhay and Bhaskar. Whatever the amount is there, you can write here and make a total and write it on the outer column. If only one partner is there, then mention only one partner. Now you have to close this account, and if it is profit, that is your credit side is more and your debit side is less, then you will have profit. So that will be to profit transferred to Abhay's or partner's capital account. So the next account which you have to prepare after preparing profit and loss appropriation account is partner's capital account, that we will learn in the coming classes. Okay, so you have to transfer the profit after closing this account, that is whatever is short on the debit side, that amount you will transfer to the partners in their profit sharing ratio. If it is agreed, then that ratio. If it is not agreed, then it should be distributed equally, as we have studied in as per the Indian Partnership Act 1932. If it is not decided, then you have to pass the profit, or the partners will share the profit equally. Same is the case if your debit side is more and credit side is less, then it is a case of loss. Okay, debit side means your expenses side is more and your income side is less, then that is a case of loss. Loss also you have to transfer to partners at the capital account or in the current account. See, this more elaborate study of capital and current account we will discuss when we will do the problem of preparing a partner's capital account or current account. So for the time being, you just learn the format of profit and loss appropriation account as it is. Okay. So remember, when you are closing this account, you have to transfer the profit to the partner's capital account, or loss also you have to transfer to partner's capital account or current account. So then we make the total and write it over here. So this is format of profit and loss appropriation account. Now there is very important thing which you have to remember. Interest on partner's loan will not be shown in profit and loss appropriation account. So this should not be shown in profit and loss account. Instead we have to prepare a separate account to show this partner's interest on loan. Okay, that you have to remember.